Yes, welcome to 2026, and I want to congratulate you for showing interest in our data analysis with Excel mastery course, which we have called the Go High Level program in the School of Spreadsheet powered by Keystart Jugos. In this course, everything we've promised you on the website that you've read through is what we're going to be delivering. I know some of you would doubt all of those things looking at the price. But I want you to know that the original price is actually 200,000 naira. And we decided to give 90% discount, meaning you're paying just 10% for this program. And we have our reasons. If we can help you to get skilled in the right way, in a seamless approach, we believe that you're going to bring more persons. But our core goal actually is to empower Nigerian youth to transition into tech in the most effective way possible. To help you make the decision of getting on board this program, I want to show you something, and I'll show you right on the screen. By the 7th day of starting this program, would have taken you from a beginner's level in Excel to a point where you can build interactive dashboard right there. This is what businesses actually need to make informed business decision. As a data analyst, you should be able to create an interactive dashboard. We work on a messy data set. We cleaned it up. We did a pivot table. We analyzed it, and then we put it on an interactive dashboard. So you can see everything right here. So plain. We have the order date that shows you the date, 2017, the month. Everything is all spelled out, and you can click on each month to know what is going on. And right there, you're going to be seeing the interactivity of the dashboard. For example, I want to know what was going on in the month of May. Once I click it, you can see how everything readjusted. I could see our profit history by the month of May in 2017. And I could see how technology sales was doing, how our office supply sales was doing, how our furniture sales is also doing on the dashboard right there. And to deactivate that, I can go on to check June. I can go on to check July. I can go on to check August. This is what we mean by interactive dashboard. And I can undo the filter. I'm seeing everything right there. I can see the region. I can see our sales history over the years from 2014 to 15 to 16, then to 2017 right there. You can also look at what your data is like by region. In the central region, you can see readjusted. You can see our profit history where we made losses. We can see how each category is also doing. We can see the summary here, and we can see this also changing. I can start to look at the east, look at the west, and as I'm putting my cursor on, you can see how it is coming up south. You can see that also. I can deactivate it right here, and I can decide to go into the subcategory to look at how each, of course, this technology sales, office supplies, and furniture, they have product under them. So under technology sales, we have product. I can decide to look at appliances. I can decide to look at bookcases, which is obviously furnitures. I can decide to look at binders. I can decide to look at furnishings. I can decide to look at machines, which is under technology. So this is what we mean by interactive dashboard, and I can disable it. Now imagine paying 20,000 to learn. The program is an 8 weeks program, intensive but beginner friendly. By the 7th day, we'll be doing this, and I'll be showing you testimonials from other students. When we first launched this course, we launched it as a free bootcamp where we promised them to be able to build interactive dashboard like this in 7 days. So, and this, what we did and what we achieved in the bootcamp becomes your week 1, course in the Go High Level Data Analysis with Excel Mastery course. I'm showing you this to let you know that this little investment is not a waste. Your future will thank you for it, and your self-esteem as regarding anything tech would have been boosted. You'll be able to confidently go on to become professional and to learn even other tech skills. I don't want you to sleep on this offer. Jump on it right now, as it's going to be increasing soon. I'll see you in class.
That it's possible, that I can find a new profession, a new job. It's possible I can create a new life, and it's necessary that I become actively involved in becoming a positive force in my life and on the planet. And it's me, yes, it's you. And it's going to be hard. Easy is not an option. But if it's hard, we will do it hard. Whatever is required to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. And it's worth it, yes. It's worth whatever we have to do. And once we know that, it is done. It is done. It is done.